other one. It's running frontline animal removal. And I want to show you how deferred maintenance allowed critters to move in. Now here we have some soffit missing. There we have a bird's nest. There's a piece of the missing soffit. That's bird poop. What has happened is the wind came along, knocked the soffit loose, and it knocked it loose by pulling this fascia trim out, and the birds moved in. Well, squirrels discovered it. And look, they kind of worked on that a little bit. Did a little bit of chewing there. So the simple fix is set some traps and just pop the soffit back together with some nails to keep it in place. Tighten up this. So easy fix, but we gotta get the critters out first. Thank you.